Hello everyone, this is Darren with Madcap Toys. I'd like to welcome you back to another What So video plus, because at the end of the video we're going to be doing extra. But right now I want to show you what we've sewed. We've sewed basically a Batman Arkham City Robin action figure for $47.99. This is going out to Nicholas. I had to hurry up and get some of these orders out because they just had to ship now. We have not been getting 24 hours of time to ship these items, so this is why we're doing some of these ad-lib videos. So please forgive me for this, but we just had to do it, guys. We've got other issues to talk about as well at the end of the video, so stay with us so we can discuss some issues that's important. This is a 1996 R5D4. It sold for $5.75, and it's going out to Joe. And just in case I didn't mention it, Nicholas's Batman sold for $47.99, and it also went out early this morning. We've got so many things going on. We've just got to talk to you about it here, guys. This here is a 2000 DC Superman. He's got a plastic, is that right? Plastic cape variant, because some of these have a cloth cape, and this is going out to Mark for $5.58. And you can see back there in the back how the plastic sort of I want to say rolls up on you, sort of like a scroll does somewhat. And that's why you've got both the plastic and the cloth. My variant I really like is the cloth type, but some like the plastic better. This here is a 2014 Hot Wheels HW City Night Burns to Chung. And I want to thank you, Chung, for that. That's $5.99. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not, I am so sorry. Forgive me for that. But as you can see, we are going to be moving a lot of Hot Wheels. We've been selling a lot of Hot Wheels, guys. Keep an eye out in July for our Christmas in July sale, because we are going to be putting everything from 5% to 50% off. This here was an exciting sale that I made today. This is a 2012 Kmart exclusive indoor ATST Crew. It sold for $79.98. I'm not sure who it went to. I, for some reason, do not have it on my paperwork, but I want to thank whoever bought this for the purchase. And hey, I know you're going to enjoy it, especially if you keep it mint in box, because these guys are awesome. This whole Star Wars vintage collection from Star Wars Return of the Jedi. This is the indoor ATS Crew. These guys are going up in value, and they have been increasing at 10 to 20% a year. So I'd keep that in box. You do what you want, but this guy's got some value with him. And the other sets do as well, guys. But I want to talk to you a little bit about a few things that's been going on. We have been having some issues, as you know, with our sales and the time of day. We're not getting a total of 24 hours on our shipping time as it was with eBay by and large. Pretty much you get something, you pretty much got to get it within the next few hours to get it out the next day so that you can meet the deadline. Also, as far as glitch issues and all that that's going on eBay, I haven't noticed as many issues. We get a few here and there. I'm going to call them spotty issues, but I haven't noticed them as much. Our sales have been variant, and I'm going to say variant, because we've been going anywhere, and this is the average in the last few days, so I don't have a whole lot of data to give. A lot of you guys are into all this, and I'm hoping you'll compare what I tell you to what your numbers are. But basically, ours have been going anywhere from a bad day, guys, and this is eBay only, not including Mercari, Poshmark, anything else. From a bad day, we had a horrible day of 3 sales, but then the very next day, we can have a day of 22 sales. So I can't explain it. There is no rhyme. There is no reason. I'm not going in too deep into all my aesthetic information on eBay, because to me, I don't really trust it. I've seen my views go up. I've seen them go down. I've seen things disappear. I've had things just seemingly do backflips, guys. And I don't know how to explain that, but some of you guys that may be even better than I am at reading some of those analytic issues that we get from eBay concerning our stores, maybe you can give us some comments in the comments below. But things to me right now are sort of in a state of flux. That's why I've not been on eBay or on YouTube a whole lot talking about eBay, because I'm trying to get a base feel of what is going on. I owe some guys some letters. I've talked to 2 or 3 other gentlemen in my Facebook group and on my comment sections. Sales have been going up and down for us. I know many of you guys have said my sales are going great, or some of you have said my sales are going bad. And there seems to be very little in between. There's no one saying mine's okay. It's either great or awful. And that's pretty much the way it's been for Kathy and I, and even for my son, Jordan, and his store. They're either really hot and rocking and you're just knocking it out of the ballpark, home run, football touchdown, or you're not even getting anywhere close to the end zone. There is no in between. I could be wrong. If you've had some okay days, okay, great, wonderful. I'm glad for you. Hope it keeps going, but I hope instead of okay days, we all start getting some of those home runs or touchdowns as it was, because, we're not wanting to just make 2 or 3 sales. We've got to make more than that by and large to do what we've got to do. But guys, I'm really interested in what you're doing, how you're doing. Hopefully you're doing really good. I really hope you are. I'm hoping more and more of you guys pick up and keep doing better and better. I'm hoping eBay gets done with whatever they're doing that's slowing things down. I've also noted on listings that my organic sales, that just come in directly to me have sort of been down. Maybe that's just me. I don't know if my numbers are off or not, but it seems like 98% of my sales have been promoted listings. I do not know if anybody else has noticed that themselves. If you have, let me know what you're seeing as far as what's coming in organic. Basically no boosting going on with those sales. And then let me know, if you can, what is going on with your promoted or promoted plus listings. We do not use promoted plus. We do use promoted, but that is in the testing phase. And I'll be honest with you, my promoted numbers are going to be going down, because you can't do umpteen dollars on that and make a viable business system work for you in the long time. All right, guys, I really appreciate your time. I appreciate your comment. I appreciate your thoughts and ideas. Let me know how it's going for you. I hope it's going great. I hope you guys out there, are doing okay. I hope nobody is suffering, at least not too bad. I hope it gets better for you. You guys stay true and stay to where you just keep fighting, do the best you can. And be sure, if you can, to give me a thumbs up on the video. Give me a comment. Tell me what's happening so I sort of can have something to compare my stats to and others out there. And I can share what others have said to me. And we can all hopefully figure out a way to beat the system in some wise. I'm not saying we're going to, but we're all making a different effort. I've got 3 or 4 friends that's trying different things. I'm trying different things. We're seeing what is working the best for us. I'm not just trying to give you something that just will get you through. I'm trying to give you something that will make your life a little bit better, I hope. And if you can, hey, be sure to share this with people that are going through like-minded issues that we're all going to. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. You guys have a great and a wonderful day.